our travel day. Today we're travelling to Orlando. Travelling from Gatwick, currently on our way to Orlando International Airport. We're leaving from South Terminal, and it's actually our first time flying British Airways, which is kind of exciting but also like nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Because obviously, unless you've been living on the rock, a lot of BA flights are being cancelled left, right and centre. So
we've been checking it every day, haven't we, to make sure it's still going.
It's currently 10 o'clock, we're about 25 minutes away for our 2:30 flight. Our first time ever going to Gatwick. Nice.
We're in!
So we've just arrived at long stay car park for South Terminal. This is where our car's going to be for the next 2 weeks. It's home. Got bus stop 3. It's very rainy. Oh, Joe's got it. Joe's on it. Putting the suit in there because when we come back, we're going to a wedding in Germany. We drive straight over to Heathrow Airport for our friend's wedding. But more about that
on the next travel one.
Yeah.
It's rain.
It's so rainy. So we're now in the departure, whatever you call this, where you check in. What do you call it?
Yeah, check-in.
Check-in, yeah. Departure. So you can go that way for manual check-in, or you can do the computer ones, which we're doing.
Do it the robotic way.
Yeah, futuristic way, mate. I'm excited to use the machine there.
Yeah, I don't know why. It looks well fancy. Scan your boarding pass. In your details. Passport. Place your heaviest bag. Moment of truth.
Nice.
Oh, 21.9.
That's well under, isn't it?
Really badly.
That's fine.
Send it.
Send it.
It's going to Orlando. Oh.
Checking the weight again. See?
How heavy is Sean's?
It's pretty heavy.
14! 14! Whoa! Ready, send it! Bye!
Please come to us. Please come back. Okay, so security was relatively easy, weren't it?
So easy, sailed through.
Yeah, so Joe booked premium, what's it called, premium?
Premium security.
It was premium, yeah. It was completely dead, straight through.
It's well worth £5 just for that like stress-free knowing that we don't have to give this massive queue.
And now we're in duty free.
The good old duty free.
Duty free. So here we are. Here is South Terminal's departure lounge. The departure gates.
Gosh. Nando's Prep, Weatherspoons, Wagamamas, Wonder Tree.
Right, okay.
Spoon's Tradition.
Maybe. Lego store. In motion for all the techie needs. This is where all the food is around the corner. Grain Store Cafe. Got cocktails and stuff. That looks fancy.
It's cute.
Yeah. Got Starbucks coffee over here. Got Wagamama. Got Weatherspoons, which is called the Flying Horse. Got Pret over there. What do you think? Weatherspoons?
Spoons or Wagamamas. Obligatory airport point. It's going down very, very well.
So yeah, like I say, with the flying horse, the Weatherspoons inside the South Terminal. It's good, man. Finally doing it.
We've got about an hour and a half until our gate opens, which is just the right amount of time for us, to be fair. You know, long enough to chill, but not too long to get bored.
We actually got a pretty good deal on this holiday, didn't we?
We did, yeah. We booked this in the January sales. I think we paid $6.50 each for the flights and the hotel for 2 weeks. Then obviously the park tickets on top of that. But and now we're here, we're doing it.
So last time I went to Florida was start of 2020. Was it no, like March 2020? Yeah. So when we come back, COVID happened, so we
literally when we landed.
So we've got so much more to do at all the parks, and also we haven't done Seaworld or Busch Gardens before.
So we've got loads of new things to look forward to, and Halloween Horror Nights we're doing as well, opening weekend.
So yeah, hopefully this video is going to give you a good idea of what to expect if you're flying to Orlando from Gatwick
with British Airways.
With British Airways. Someone got a point.
It's boarding time! Let's go! There it is! It's a BA Boeing 777 and we are flying economy class. Hiya! How are you? Good, thank you. Fantastic! Testing out the neck pillow. How is it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
10 of 10 playing that.
We did see memory foam ones after we bought this.
Oh yeah,
the same price.
We bought those ones in W.H. Smith's for £15, and then as we walked to the terminal, there was memory foam ones at another shop for £15. And I felt the memory foam one, and then felt mine, and then I clocked the guys in the store laughing at me. I just walked away.
You were like that.
I was like, they could see exactly what just happened.
Devoted.
Welcome, World Traveller. Got a nice wing view out there. Right in the middle of the plane, and they gave us a little pillow and a blankie. But in terms of the seat area, this is my leg room. Perfectly happy here. This is fine. How's your leg room?
About normal, really.
About normal. Feels comfortable enough.
It could be worse.
Well, they've got these backrests, like headrests on them that come out.
They've got Ghostbusters, got everything everywhere, all the time.
Oh yes.
Last night in Soho, licorice pizza.
Minions, I actually want to watch that.
Moonfall, that's meant to be terrible.
Is it?
Funny though, like so bad it's good type of thing.
Nice little lap tray.
It's still very good.
Good though, it's got like this bit as well, like to keep stuff in, and a pocket. You don't even get pockets on Ryanair flights now.
So, just found the headphones, top tech.
Are they like one port, the double port ones, like the old school ones?
They've definitely been washed.
Washed? They must be new. They just came around and gave us all Dettol wipes so you can like wipe down your little area and stuff. Cleaning duties.
They really make you work for your money.
Economy, do it yourself. So they just came round with the drink service and we got these Brewdog Jet Streams. So it's British Airways only Brewdog. With a little logo on them. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Give it a taste test.
Chris Sherburn King recommended this to us. We didn't know about it before today. He said make bottle of water, some fruit. This is like a quinoa salad, a bread roll, and a little pudding. Sticky toffee pudding. Ah, looks good. Herbie rice. I thought this would be like a tea time thing, but it's 4 o'clock now. Okay, fair enough. Thumbs up, thumbs down. It's alright. That's something with aeroplane food though, isn't it? Like, as long as it's edible, you're happy. So they just came around and bought us this hot wrap as well. Mediterranean veg and roasted pepper tortilla wrap. So I guess that's just like a little lunch snack. Well, tea really, isn't it? Floppy wrap. I was surprised it was warm. Any good? Looks good.
It's alright actually.
I love roasted veg, so I'm well happy. Better than a cheese sandwich, isn't it? So we have about an hour left on this flight now. Nearly made it.
Yeah, man.
It's been a long slog. We only got about 3 hours sleep last night, so we pretty much dozed the rest of the flight almost away. Watched a few films, got ourselves another jet stream. Last one for the road.
What films did you watch?
I watched Jumanji, and I watched half of Northman. But then my entertainment system went so weird. Let me show you what it's still doing it now. So like the last 3 hours of the flight, I haven't been able to watch anything. So I'm halfway through Northman. Hopefully I can finish that on the way back. But it's just been doing this on the volume. So it like skips up and then skips to mute. And it's like no one's touching it. It's just doing it. We were trying to fix it, and then there's a light button, and then the light up there started flashing as well. So I don't know what the hell has gone on with that, but yeah, can't use that for the last 3 hours, but it's alright. I had an audio book, just put that on and had a little sleep. Just over the land. 16 minutes till we actually land. But you can just about see. Yeah, I can see the land over there. Thanks, bye. So we got our bags. This looks really cool, it's all lit up, isn't it? This is like the little, what is it, a monorail thing?
Just like a little transport.
Yeah, just takes you to the main terminal. So you come out there with your bags, jump on this one.
So if you're looking for taxis like us, we just got an Uber, come to level 2, and there's all these numbers like down there, and then when you order an Uber, you basically just tell them what number to come to.
So our guy is just about to come around the corner, 31. I know, it's so high, isn't it? Is this our guy? Ask him who it's for. Hey.
So this is the main building, but we're coming out. We've got a hot tub down there that people are still in. The camera's steamed up. The camera's like, it's like so humid. And lightning. Oh my god. But yeah, all the pools still open. Bars open. I'm just surprised to see people stay in the pool. I was like, that's well good, that is, isn't it?
come now?
Yeah, in the hot. So this is a Disney Good Neighbour hotel, which just means it's Disney approved. So we've finally landed in our room.
Yeah.
Here we go. Grand Orlando Hotel in Kissimmee. Our celebration. This is a really cheap room for
what it is.
For what it is for
yeah,
Orlando.
And for 2 full weeks as well, 14 nights.
Definitely. It's just literally just been taken over by Marriott / Delta. So they're renovating loads of different places. You can definitely tell this room's had some work done to it. We've got a nice poolside view out the window. It's a bit condensated.
It is raining.
Yeah.
We started the day with rain and we're ending the day with rain.
Yeah. Got a nice big aircon here. Literally fun spot, Kissimmee, walking distance down the road. We're about 10 to 15 minutes away from most of the Orlando parks. So yeah, I think what we're going to do is just go to Disney Springs, get something to eat, have a few drinks, and celebrate the fact that we're in Orlando! So yeah, if you've enjoyed this vlog and you want to see the rest of our trip here in Florida, because we'll be we're obviously hitting up a lot of the parks around Orlando, and also going to Tampa Bay for obviously Busch Gardens. So yeah, give us a subscribe if you want to see more of that sort of stuff. So thank you so much for watching this. We'll see you in the next one. From me, it's bye. I'm Jodie's.
Orlando.